Hello everyone, I'm Chuck Gordner from MoneyMan4438 Marketing, and in this video we're going to talk about the risk reward calculator that I have in my All-In-One Trading Journal. You'll notice that I have 6 of these risk reward calculators at the bottom in tabs. There's a reason for this. When I developed the calculator, I found that it was quite frustrating to have to continually change the data for every stock. When you're evaluating 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks at a time and have to keep changing the figures back and forth, then it becomes quite frustrating. There are descriptions down along the side in the rows that tell you what each of these are for. Now you have to skate around this to get the description for these two. The rest of them, just keep clicking on the buttons. You'll see what they do for you. As your percent of risk per trade suggests, this is the amount of risk per trade you are willing to risk of your account funds. 1/4% is all anyone should risk when you're new. Enter it as 0.0025. Once you've done that, then it will calculate your risk per trade against your account funds to give you your risk per trade amount. You'll take the risk per trade amount and place it where it says risk per trade. Then you enter your entry price and your stop loss. By default, your reward to risk ratio is 3, which calculates out to 3 times your risk per trade. In this particular instance, it's $37.50. I can change that to 2, and then it would change to 25, or I can change it to 1, and then it would change to $12.50. Once you've entered your entry price and your stop loss and your risk per trade, click the calculate button, and that would calculate out where to get out for 1R, 2R, or 3R. You'll also notice that when you're putting your entry price and your stop loss in for a long strategy, this will calculate out your stop loss. This is nice because it allows you to quickly formulate a bracket order on your trading platform. It also calculates how many position sizes to buy. In this case, an entry price of $69 with a stop loss of $68.50 is a 50-cent stop loss. You're able to purchase 25 shares. The value of that invested is $1,725. You got 1R at $69.50, 2R at $70, and 3R at $70.50. You'll place the name of the stock here and choose whether it's a long or short by using the list box. If you want to go all in with this stock, then you would click maximum position size. What this is going to do is calculate out how many of these stocks you can purchase at $69 a share. So you can get $72 for your $5,000 account fund. Then it tells you how much of the remaining balance you have. In this case, you've used all your funds, so you have 0. If you go back to using your risk amount, then you still have $3,275 remaining. It's exactly the same for the short strategy, except that your entry price should always be lower than your stop loss price, because that's what a short is. If you get in at $5 and have a stop loss of $5.10, then you have a stop loss short of minus 10 cents. If you put in your risk, then you can get 125 shares of this, and you would have $625 invested. If you want to go all in on this stock for a short, you click for max position size using this button. It then tells you can get 1,000 shares for your $5,000 and you have 0 remaining funds. The last section of this calculator is an average trading range. With an average trading range, you're able to take the 5 highest trading candles within the last 3 days to get an average trading range. This will help you determine if the stock has already traded above its profitability breakout. And you would enter them into these 5 areas and they will calculate your average trading range. Lastly, there's a cheat sheet in here for you to look at to get an idea of how risk to reward actually works. And then there is a risk to reward video instructions button to click if you need further help with using the risk rewards calculator. If you like what you've seen, this calculator will be able to be got in my Facebook group, Moneyman4438 Marketing. It's free for the first 45 days. If you like what you've seen and used and you want to continue to use it, then to unlock it would cost $94.97 plus fees using PayPal. If you liked this video, click like. If you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click subscribe. I have updates and training there to help you grow your business. And with all this being said, we hope to see you on the money train.